Points to be considered in drafting of construction agreement. When drafting a construction agreement, there are several important points that should be considered to protect the interests of all parties involved. Here are some key points to include in a construction agreement. Parties involved. Clearly identify the parties involved in the agreement, including the names and contact details of the owner, client, and the contractor. Scope of work. Define the scope of work in detail, specifying the specific tasks, materials, and services to be provided by the contractor. This section should be as comprehensive as possible to avoid any ambiguity or misunderstandings. Project timeline. Include a detailed schedule or timeline for the project, outlining key milestones, start and completion dates, and any interim deadlines. Payment terms. Clearly define the payment terms, including the total contract price, payment schedule, and any penalties or bonuses related to timely completion or milestones. Change orders. Establish a procedure for handling change orders or variations to the original scope of work. Specify how changes will be documented, approved, and any associated cost adjustments. Permits and approvals. Specify which party will be responsible for obtaining necessary permits, licenses, and approvals required for the project. Outline any associated costs and timelines. Insurance and liability. Clearly outline the insurance coverage required for the project, including general liability insurance, workers' compensation, and any other relevant policies. Specify the responsibilities and liabilities of each party. Indemnification. Include an indemnification clause to protect both parties from claims, damages, or losses arising from the project, except for cases of negligence or willful misconduct. Dispute resolution. Specify the process for resolving disputes, whether through mediation, arbitration, or litigation. Include the jurisdiction and venue for any legal proceedings. Termination clause. Include a termination clause that outlines the conditions under which the agreement can be terminated by either party, as well as the consequences of termination. Warranties and guarantees. Define any warranties or guarantees provided by the contractor, specifying the duration and scope of coverage. Confidentiality. If there are sensitive or proprietary information involved in the project, include a confidentiality clause to protect such information from unauthorized disclosure. Force majeure. Address unforeseen events or circumstances that may delay or prevent the project's progress, such as natural disasters or acts of God, and specify how these situations will be handled. Governing law. Specify the governing law that will apply to the construction agreement, particularly if the parties are located in different jurisdictions. Signatures and execution. Ensure that the agreement is signed by authorized representatives of both parties and include space for dates and signatures. It is crucial to consult with a qualified legal professional when drafting or reviewing a construction agreement to ensure that it meets all legal requirements and adequately protects the interests of all parties involved. For regular updates, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.